Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lawrence and today I'm going to show you another piece of the HTML. And yeah, so this is another piece of it. So let's get on with it. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste your loader into your construct free and also a main menu button. So I'm going to do that. Usually go and add a loader main menu layout button, but you don't actually want to do that. You want to get rid of that. And I copied and pasted the loader and intro off another construct free template, and what I did is I pasted it into the layout section and making sure that at the top of the menu, so it's a bit orderly. As you can see, I just put them at the top and selected loader must be first, and then intro, and then the main menu button, which layout which hasn't been added yet, but I'll add that later. Okay, you want to do that for the event sheet as well. Copy and paste in the loader and intro bit into the new project, which I'll just do. You got to make sure it's added all the stuff at once. If you got a project, you got to make sure you paste all the stuff is on the last one to make sure it works, or get that notice you just seen or saw. Whatever, don't Grammarly me again, and make sure it's in the event sheet. As you can see now, you've got two event sheets. Copy and paste the loader once it's done into the event sheet, and there you go. It doesn't matter what order it is, but that's the order is put in. So basically, got a loader event sheet and an intro event sheet, and a loader layout and a intro layout. As you can see now, I'll just go to the top as well. Okay, so you've got both there and there and there. Okay. Okay, you want to go to loader or any of the main menu projects and making sure you're on the left or right hand side, not the layout itself, but clicking on the outside of it to get the project properties up, and you click view, and you make sure construct free is under not recommended. Whatever it says, nothing, not recommended, so you want to put that one. Nothing else on this one, you just want to put it on nothing recommended. Okay, and now I'll just test it. Oh yeah, sorry, also you need to put it, wire it to it, making sure the event sheet's on the loader and intro, making sure that on that one, because it's not done until you do it. So you've got to make sure the intro and loader event sheet's on the right one. So you want loader event sheet for loader and intro event sheet for intro, and just play it up. As you can see, it loads. It's got a loader and the main Brave Out production intro. It usually go on to another one, but I haven't programmed it to go anywhere yet, so I'll do that in a bit. Okay, next one, add an event sheet and add a layout. Go to layout, the folder, and add layout, sorry, and then add event sheet as well, renaming it. This will be the main menu, so put it third to the bottom, or third to the top, sorry, so making sure there's some sort of order, and doing it same, well, renaming the event sheet main menu, and getting rid of any event sheets you don't need, like the blank event sheet. So event sheet 1, you don't need that, so I'll get rid of that. Okay, next you want to be on the main menu layout, and right click on the canvas and insert new object. Rename it. You want the background for this, so the background's got to be main menu background. To rename it, you can rename it. And add sprite. Right click on the canvas, open up the Explorer to open up the picture you want for your background. I already made mine's in the folder I already made, so I'll quickly just do that. Okay, that's my background, and there's 1920.1080, so it fits the canvas, or it fits the viewpoint, which is this bit here. You probably can't see it, but I showed you already. You stretch it out just a little bit, making sure there's no white in the background. Okay, next you right click, insert new object, rename it. This one will probably be the button. No, sorry, it's the font. So you want the font, and you want to put the title font on the main menu bit, so you know what you're dealing with. Okay, stretch it out and reposition it so it's okay. Insert new objects again by right clicking and renaming it. This one would definitely be the button, the last one for the main menu bit, so I'm going to rename it main menu button or something like that. Add sprite, right click on the canvas, or click on the canvas and open up the button. There should be 2 frames for this, as I said before, one red that's highlighted and one that's not highlighted. As you can see there, one's not highlighted and one is highlighted. And I'm going to reposition it and make it more look like a button. Making sure the speed, right clicking on or clicking on the first one and putting the speed to 0. You also want to click on the title of the interactive, whatever it is, and duplicate layer and put the size to 4 and your rubber on, and deleting the first or the second frame, sorry, making sure you delete the second frame, which is number 1, so it flashes like that with the loop on, by the way, and 5, just keep that as it is. But what's next? Okay, next, clicking on event sheet, the main menu event sheet is add an event, which is blank now, so you go to add event, type in mouse or scroll to mouse, on object clicked, making sure you put the right one in. This one is mouse or main menu button, and double click, making sure it's on double click, so when double clicked on left button, main menu button, add action, go to main menu button, set frame to 1, add action at the bottom of that, system, type in wait, put 0.5 seconds with the timescale unchecked, copy the first one and pasting it at the bottom, and changing this one to no, actually wait 5 seconds and copy and pasting that, the set animation frame to 1 to 0. In the main menu event sheet, underneath the main menu button actions, go to add action, system, go to layout, and you want to select the main menu or the main layout section. See, there you go, main map. So you want to go to main map, and just to test it, or save it first, actually I'm saving it. And now just to click on the main menu bit or the loader, the first one, to check if it works. And press play to preview it on the top. And as you can see, the loader loads and the intro bit starts. Oh, I haven't set it yet to, I haven't set the loader bit to load to the main menu, so I'll quickly do that. But go into the loader or the intro section of the event sheet, right click or add event, go to layout, system, go to layout, main menu, and I'll preview it again to see if it works. As you can see, the main menu bit, the intro, and there you go, goes to the main menu. and click on it just to see if it works, and there you go, and that's that. So do join me for the next one, and have a nice time. And yeah, so that's that for that one, and do join me for the next one, and until then, take care. My name is Lawrence, aka Gas No Light, and enjoy it.